What's up, y'all? AmLactin just sent me this PR package in the mail containing their newly packaged moisturizing lotion. So I just wanted to give them a quick thank you and unbox it together with y'all. All right, here we go. Ooh, nice. Here is AmLactin's brand new packaging. It is in green, which is my favorite color. This moisturizer is a little different than normal moisturizers because it contains 12% lactic acid and does have a little bit of gentle exfoliation as you moisturize. We're gonna go ahead and do a little quick tryout of this stuff. So here we go. It feels very cooling and soothing on the skin off the bat. Very interesting lotion solution. Doesn't feel like too oily, but I can tell that there's a bit of that lactic acid on it. Feels like a really great solution because my skin does tend to be a little bit naturally dry. Thanks so much again, AmLactin, for sending me this package. I think it's quite a nice solution. Check this stuff out for yourself.